Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be seeing if we can chop a smooth edge on this piece of polished lapis lazuli. I'm just going to get my helmet mask, if I can find it over here so I don't get shards of rock in my face. And we're going to be using a diamond tipped saw blade. Let's go! Alright, there's a lot of lapis lazuli dust floating around in the air now, and it looks like we've got a nice flat top taken off. It's interesting to see how it looks without whatever they've put on to polish it. It's very dull. It's not at all the shiny stone that you see when you buy a polished one. Anyway, that is what lapis lazuli looks like cut, and you can cut it with a diamond tip blade. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.